Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a board cover on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen at the bottom you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Under Saved you can see two options, Pins and Boards. You have to go to Boards, then long press on the board of which you want to change the cover. Now swipe your finger to the pin-like option, then on the top you can see a plus sign right below board cover. Tap on it, then all you have to do is select the picture you want the board cover to be of, then drag it and fit it, then tap on done on the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your board cover on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.